In the previous video, we came to know about the various details about two continents, North America and South America. North America is the third largest continent in the world and was discovered in the 15th century. North America is located in the northern hemisphere. South America was discovered along with North America in the 15th century. The Andes is the largest mountain range that runs along its boundary. Now, the continent of Antarctica is located in the southern hemisphere and it has no vegetation. It is also known as the White Continent. This continent usually remains covered with a sheet of snow. Today, we will also be studying one more continent, that is Europe. Europe is also called as Peninsula of Asia, and together with Asia, it is called Eurasia. So the continent of Europe dominated the world for 2 centuries. In this video, we are going to know more about these two continents. Let's first talk about Antarctica. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent in the world. This continent is completely located in the southern hemisphere. It is a huge continent. Do you know about the climate of Antarctica? No? Okay, don't worry, I'll tell you. Due to its location in the South Polar region, this continent is considered as cold desert and it is always covered with thick ice sheets. That is the reason it is also known as the White Continent. Due to the cold weather, there is no vegetation and no permanent human settlement. Antarctica covers about 10% of the world's total land area. Many researchers from different countries have their research centers in Antarctica. They carry scientific research from these centers because of the least population in this continent. Only around 1,000 people are residing in winter and nearly 10,000 people in summer. So do you know the name of the Indian research station in Antarctica? No? Okay, don't worry, I'll tell you. The first is Gangotri. That is since 1988, and the second is Dakshin Gangotri. That is the name based on Dakshin Gangotri glacier. Now, these are the 2 research stations of India located in Antarctica. So Antarctica was declared as the continent in the 1890s. The continent Antarctica is usually divided into 2 regions, namely East Antarctica and West Antarctica. Now, these 2 regions are separated by a mountain range known as the Trans-Antarctic Mountains. Antarctica is bordered by the Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean. It is the best place for researchers to observe space. Now, can you tell me anything about Europe? No? Okay, don't worry, I'll tell you. Europe is also known as the Peninsula of Asia, and together they are called as Eurasia. So Europe is separated from Asia by the Caspian Sea, Russia's Urals and the Caucasus Mountains. It lies to the west of Asia. It is surrounded by water bodies on 3 sides: south, northeast and northwest. The Atlantic Ocean is present on its west, the Arctic Ocean in the north and the Mediterranean Sea in the south. These water bodies helped Europe in international trade. The Arctic Circle passes through Antarctica. Its land area is about 99,08,600 square kilometers. Europe supports the high densities of population. The largest country in Europe is Russia, which accounts for about 37% of the total continent area. Now, can you give some interesting facts about Antarctica and Europe? Also, what mistakes students do while locating the 2 continents, Antarctica and Europe? In this video, we have learned about the continent of Antarctica, which is mainly covered with ice due to cold climate, and Europe, which together with Asia is called Eurasia and is also known as the Peninsula of Asia. And in the next video, we will study the continent of Australia. I'll take your leave. Till then, Bye. Stay happy.